Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to rent a yacht with Sailo. I will show you step by step how to do this. And first of all, what you need to know is download the Sailo app and then after that create an account. If you have no idea how to create an account, then check the other video on my channel to solve this problem. But right now what we want to do is we want to go to trips and we want to plan a new trip. So right now what we want to do is search for the destination. Now let's say we are around Saint-Tropez, so we fill in Saint-Tropez, and then right now you see here big yachts at Saint-Tropez. Now it's crazy. You see many crazy boats, but right now you have here the filter, and right now what you can do is, let's say we only want the motor and we want boats with 120 or around 130 feet. Now let's apply. And then right now you will find massive boats. So right now, if you can see, we have here the Climb Aboard, we have here the Cruise the Mediterranean Sea, but right now the unwind on the ultimate luxury boat is crazy, guys. This boat costs you 138,000 a week, but this is what you want if I'm talking on a good yacht. So right now, you have more options. You have very bigger boats. But right now, let's see if you want to book this boat. We go to this boat. Now, then we click here on book. Right now, we select the pick date. So let's see, we have the charter on July the 5th. Then we do apply. Then duration is a week, and then we select for 8 guests. Now, then we do checkout. Right now, captain included, the fuel was not included, so that will come after it. Then right now, if you can see, the boat price is 138k and the service fee is 12k. Then fill in your phone number, fill in your credit card. You can also send a message to this yacht owner. And then after this, keep in mind that the cancellation policy is very strict. So you need to cancel it 31 days before, otherwise you don't get your fully refunds. So that's a very costable price that you pay if you are too late to cancel. Now then select I agree and I'm at least 18 and then click on submit booking, and then you can do the following steps with your credit card to book this yacht. So this is exactly how you can rent a yacht with Sailo step by step. Hopefully I could help you out. Then for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.